Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare Palak Pakoda or Crispy Spice Indian Fritters, which are made by coating fresh chopped spinach leaves in seasoned chickpea flour besan batter and deep frying until golden color appears. They are beloved tea time snack and are incredibly quick and easy to prepare at home. Indian fritters or Palak Pakoda is a crispy deep fried Indian tea time snack made with fresh spinach leaves, gram flour which is known as besan atta, and aromatic spices. This street style version relies on the natural moisture of the spinach to bind the batter, creating an light and crispy texture. The benefit of the spinach or palak leaves, which is powerhouse of iron, which helps to combat anemia and boost overall energy level. Single serving provides essential antioxidants like vitamin A to guard against several colds, packed with potassium and magnesium. Ingredients needed for this palak pakoda are 1 bunch of palak or spinach 250 grams, roughly chopped or kept whole, gram flour which is known as besan atta, the chickpea flour 1 cup, rice flour 2 tablespoons to make pakoda extra crispy. You can use onion also, it is optional. For aromatic and spices we need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies paste, 1/4 tablespoon of ajwain which is known as carom seeds, half tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of red chili powder, salt and oil for deep frying. First step is to prepare the spinach. Rinse the spinach leaves thoroughly in cold water to remove the dirt. Roughly chop the spinach leaves. Second step is to mix the dry spices with chopped spinach leaves. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chopped spinach leaves with cumin seeds, carom seeds, also with green chilies paste, garlic paste, also the besan atta which is known as gram flour, chickpea flour, salt for taste, turmeric powder, red chili powder and little oil to mix. Use your hands, gently mix and squeeze the spinach. This helps to release the natural moisture. After adding gram flour or besan atta and rice flour to the spinach mixture, add 1 tablespoon of hot oil from the frying pan directly to the bowl. This secret step ensures the incredible crunch. Mix everything well. If the mixture feels too dry, sprinkle just few drops of water at a time until you get stiff, moist and slightly clumpy batter. Next step is to fry the pakodas. Heat 3 to 4 inches of oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, gently drop small rough portion of the pakoda mixture into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry the pakodas, flipping them occasionally for about 3 to 4 minutes until they turn beautiful deep golden brown. Ensure the pakodas or fritters cook evenly on all sides, preventing one side from burning while the other remains raw. Flipping helps the batter cook through evenly, giving you uniform street-style crunch. Moving them around occasionally stops the pakoda from sticking to the bottom of pan. Remove the crispy fritters or pakoda using slotted spoon and drain the excess oil on paper towel. Repeat the process for remaining batter. Repeat the same process for remaining batter. Ensure the heat stays steady so the next batch cooks evenly. Scoop small loose portion of remaining spinach mixture into the oil. Leave enough space in the pan for fritters to float and crispy up. Flip them occasionally for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are evenly brown. After 3 to 4 minutes, when the fritters or pakodas are well cooked, leave them out with the slotted spoon. Drain on paper towel and heat them with the final dust of chaat masala. While serving, garnish with salted deep fried green chilies. Serve with spicy coriander mint chutney. Add sweet tangy tamarind chutney also. Serve spinach pakodas or spinach palak fritters immediately when they are hot because they are at the peak crispiness. If you like this spinach pakoda recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.